Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be basically showing you guys a cool recipe using Trader Joe's chili onion crunch. This condiment is absolutely amazing, and ever since I realized that it existed, I try to use it with everything, and it's so great with pasta, and that is exactly what we're going to do today. So basically we're just going to make chicken and broccoli and spinach pasta. It's so good. I'm using almost everything here is organic. I'm using the brown rice and quinoa pasta from Trader Joe's as well. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we are going to chop up this broccoli head. I definitely love broccoli with my pasta, and we're just going to go ahead and chop it up. Just keep chopping away. I definitely am not too big of a fan of the stems of the broccoli, so I'm just here cutting them, any of the really long ones that I see. I'm going to speed up this process. Okay guys, once you have everything chopped up, you just transfer it onto a bowl. Okay, and this is the part we've been all waiting for. Now we are going to add the chili onion crunch. I'm definitely doing this in slow motion because I just love this stuff so much, and I love the way it looks. So you can add as generously as you would like. I definitely love my food spicy, so I will be adding a little bit more. But it's just so good, and it's really not that spicy. I guess I'm just so used to eating spicy food that things tend not to be as spicy as I would like. So you can just really add to your preference how much you would like. This stuff is amazing. Alright, now it's time to mix everything together. You want it so that it spreads evenly throughout all the broccoli that you have in the bowl. Just mixing it all together, making sure every single broccoli has a little of the goodness that is in this. Alright, now it's time to open up our pasta and boil some pasta. Pasta is very fast to cook, so I try to have everything prepped and ready to go before I cook my pasta, so that right when it's done and al dente, we can saute everything together. It's definitely going to be delicious. Okay, so I had some pre-cooked chicken breast here, so basically what I'm doing is just chopping it up, and I'm really sorry that I didn't get a chance to show you the entire cooking process. There was some technical difficulties, but anyways, as you can see here, I am plating. I actually could not handle the smell that was coming out of this pot. It was just so good. I'm telling you, this chili onion crunch is to die for, and it was just so good. and I really hope that you guys all have the chance to make it. Right here I'm adding some dried parsley flakes. If you guys have just fresh parsley, you can use that, of course. And of course, I cannot eat pasta without a little bit of Parmesan cheese. So I'm adding a little bit of Parmesan cheese here. I am trying to eat healthier, so that is why I'm not trying to overdo it. But this dish is just so good, and I really hope that you guys try it. I hope that you guys like it. I will be adding the recipe down below, and if any of you guys do try it, please let me know in the comments below. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope that you guys are able to subscribe, and I'll be posting more recipes. Thank you guys.